Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by inserting the activated SIM into the dongle and plugging it into your PC's USB port. This provides the cellular link. Once done, allow the system to detect new hardware and install drivers automatically, or run the bundled installer if needed. Make sure the SIM PIN is entered when prompted so the modem registers on the network. Keep APN and carrier credentials accessible, because you may need to enter them into the connection utility immediately after driver setup. Once the drivers and utility are installed, open the vendor app or Windows network settings to create a new mobile broadband connection. You'll choose the correct APN, and when required, enter username and password. This tells the carrier which plan to apply. Then select whether you want pure modem mode, USB tethering, or to broadcast a Wi-Fi hotspot from the dongle. Make sure you save the profile and test by hitting Connect. Watch the signal bars and assigned IP address to confirm. To finish, verify internet access by opening a web page and checking adapter status for an assigned IP and DNS. This proves the tunnel is live. If it fails, make sure you have data credit and the APN is exact because small typos block authentication. Also try a different USB port, reboot the PC, or update the dongle driver. If problems persist, test the SIM in a phone to isolate SIM versus dongle issues, and call carrier support only after those checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.